So I just got this hair dryer in the mail today, and it does come with, where are they at? This little thing and this. But this is what it looks like. It's so tiny. We're gonna compare it to my favorite blow dryer. So we're gonna see. So I would definitely say it's better than my other one. It took me 5 minutes or less, and I got thick hair, but it just snaps on there. And then this one snaps too. Easy peasy. 10 out of.
So if you've been thinking about getting one, I would run and get this one because this is my favorite one now. If this one ever blows out on me, I will be purchasing another one.